Hey everyone, Karen here of Marketing Online with Jack and Karen. It is November 1st, 2013, and I am cutting a series of 28 videos to record the things I'm thankful for, of which there are certainly way more than 28, but I thought it'd be cool, a countdown to Thanksgiving, to do 28 days of gratitude. So Jack and I have really been working on our mindset and our business and our personal lives, and one of the things that that we are doing is tapping into our attitude of gratitude every day when we wake up and throughout the day. And it really is so powerful in the way it can shift your mood and your approach to your day. We are actually, in fact, facing a lot of challenges right now, but you know, a lot. Personal and otherwise, it could really be bringing us down right now, but why do that? So at times like that, actually trying to tap into your attitude of gratitude is even more powerful, because it can really turn your day around and your life and your business and all that good stuff. So alright, day 1, November 1st, of things I'm grateful for. Well, look around. Can you see? It is a beautiful day here in Austin, Texas. We just moved back down here, and we're so happy and grateful to be here. We're grateful for this beautiful, glorious day, the nice weather, it's a little chilly. Wearing my little sweatshirt, but it's supposed to get warmer, and it's beautiful nonetheless. And it's even more wonderful because we've just had several days of downpour and kind of stuck inside, which actually I'm grateful for as well, because as you may or may not know, there's a drought here, and the lakes and rivers are kind of dried up. So was thankful for the rain, but am now thankful for this beautiful day on November 1st, 2013. Peace out.